Check. Boom. All right, man. Here we go. We've found ourselves back at another NFP stream. You know your boy's wearing his space jacket. You know your boy's sunnied up to hide the tears. And it's all happening. This is the day where men get... It's either you're a man or a mouse today. And I don't want to be a mouse. Little mousing around and shit. So it's NFP and it's coming up here in 51 minutes. Non-farm payroll. Comes around once a month. And we're going to find out the severity of the impact it has on the market. We're about to find out. And not only are we going to find out, I'm going to put money on the line in my belief. Bro, Ari, what's good? Bro disappears and pops up out of the blue for an NFP stream. What up, my brother? Yeah, it's really an idea of go big or go home, and I don't want to go home yet. Last time we did an NFP stream, everyone walked away rich. I can't guarantee anything today. So I've got 2 Lucid accounts here, fired up. I've got 2 Louis dogs. And I'm going to pass them both today during the stream. What the F Logan Paul doing? Bro, Logan Paul is doing heaps of shit. So here's the thing. Here's the thing, you guys. China. I'm either going to place a sell stop and a buy stop above and below before news, or I'm going to enter into a sell position before news. I haven't decided which one I'm going to do yet, but I've got 2 50k Lucid accounts linked together here. And I'm going to hit each account with 3 contracts. Yeah. Big dunk. Fight. Lock and loaded. We are lock and loaded. Loaded up on Lucid, ready to blow. Exactly. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go, man. Braz hair's on point. Braz hair, it should be a bomb from last recollection. Hello, Yellow Dick. What's up, brother? You know, let's have a look here. What do you guys reckon here? I'm throwing this poll in the YouTube chat. What are you guys thinking? Let me know your thoughts on that poll there. Shit's about to get real. I've got a timer here. Potentially take a little scalp on the way, just a little gamble scalp just to get kind of warmed up. It's like kind of a bit of a stretch. Stretch out the finger pressing buttons. Man, whenever I put a poll in the chat, it is always around 50-50. Always. It's never like severely one way or the other. Okay, that's good because I'm more sell biased. Is anyone else fired up for some NFP sunnies? I'd like to see some NFP sunnies in the Discord. What size are you trading? I'm going to put on 3 lots, so like six contracts over 2 50k Lucid accounts. Type shit. I tried your 15-minute strategy. It works every time. Let's get it. Money. Nice. So more people are thinking up. That's helping me with my down bias. Any experience in hedging NFP? I don't know what you mean by hedging NFP. I just do what I am about to do. Paige, yep, let's get it. You know what day it is of the month? It's casino day. One of the rare days where where it resembles a casino. Yo, Shem just pops up for a casino as well. What up? Funded or blown, exactly. There's only two outcomes. Either F or B. It's either F or B. I'm still tossing up whether I enter an order like 5 seconds before NFP or I place a buy stop and a sell stop before. Yeah, the Discord's about to get full with like blown accounts or funded accounts. Let's go, Jack. Yes. This is what we need to see in the Dissy. Damn, this is kind of making me jealous of not wearing my other ones. Maybe I need to get the yellowies on. These really hide the tears well, actually. Yeah, these ones hide the tears way better. I guess I can alternate. These glasses right here are $1,000. So, no, maybe that helps me win or something. Yes. Bro, you just gave me FOMO. You know, you'll see my whole community spamming on social media after this about how they're funded traders and shit. No one will ever know the truth. Go speed races? Yeah, fair enough. I'll go speedies for a bit. Oh, you're longing NQ. What's NQ been up to today? Yeah, I thought NQ would break out of the top end. One of my guys got in a buy here. I said, if you can hold this, this should break out, and it actually did. You might have just got tipped there for partials, or maybe no. If you took out the break of the high, you would have been safe. Just okay. NQ's breaking out of the highs here. Interesting. Yeah, I got a couple of Lucid accounts here. Maybe I'll take a little rat scalp just to get the fingers warm beforehand. Very bullish here. Holy shit. Bulldogs in the chat. You're in longs? I mean, you can hold it through news, but just know that it's a 50-50. It's just a coin cost at that point. Nice Oakley. I don't know if he's an Oakley, but there's something, but thank you. Yeah, so I've got two Lucid 50K accounts. NFP comes around once a month, non-farm payroll. We're going to get a massive move here in the markets. The change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding farming industry. So you're going to get a massive impulsive move in the market typically. Now there's three things that can happen. It can either shoot down aggressively, shoot up aggressively, or spike both ways and just cook everyone. Or it can just shoot up and down. Like I always say this as like there's like a 30% chance that it's going to play out how you want. There's a 30% chance that you get a big move and you can do whatever you want with that move. There's a 70% chance you're going to blow the accounts. Bad odds. But hey, I never like, you know, buckle to fear or anything like that. So sign me up. I'm not a coward, is what I'm trying to say. Last two times it went in one direction. Yeah, exactly. Last two times. So statistically, it's kind of tilting against, statistically, it seems like it might, you know, it might chop us. Statistically, we're getting closer to chop suey. I do have a bit of a feeling it's going to pop up and then down. We'll see the spread just open up big time there. I do have a feeling well, maybe that was my thing there. I do have a feeling it's going to pop up and then melt, but we'll see. I'll never doubt you again. Yeah, I'll probably change that after today. We'll see. Nah, not really, Shem. I don't know. Nah. My bias is like, okay, if I use a bit of technical analysis here, because news does follow technicals a little bit, we know price likes to mirror a lot. Like you got this level here, price is pretty close to it. I could see price kind of pushing up and then failing, coming down, and then over the next couple of months working its way back up. I could be way off. But this is kind of what I see happening over the next couple of months. I could be way off. I'm happy to be way off, but I think these lows might want to be attacked. I could be way off. I'm going to screenshot this because I feel like there's a possibility. But anytime I try to predict, it's just like, what's the point? All right. What's the point, dude? But yeah, I'm more sell biased today. Bro's fucking literally on an NFP stream trying to say I'm got a bias. It's just a fool's game. You said that last time when it went up? Yeah, legit. I know. Yeah. Just disregard everything. What up, Ty? What up, Kerr? Let's go! Yeah. Timo. You know, all these guys in my Discord here posting the NFP sunnies. In about an hour, they're going to post photos and the sunnies will be off and tears will be coming down their face. So, I'll see what happens. Yeah, who knows about the yearly shit? Yeah, we'll see. Hey, Ariel. Welcome to the cast. Bro, can we just put $1,000 into accounts and full? Yeah, but here's the thing with that. If you put two accounts and press sell on one and buy on the other, it doesn't necessarily mean that price is going to just shoot in one direction. That's the issue. Like it can go down and like 100 pips and you think, sick, I'm in sells. The other one got stopped out and then it starts moving back up. And I know it sounds like it would work and sometimes it might, but the probabilities are kind of against you a lot of the time. Pure gamble, man? No, it's not. No. How is me putting a buy stop and a sell stop full margin in my accounts gambling? That's the bell of NFP approaching. The scary thing about NFP, it feels like it's ages away and then all of a sudden it fucking is like 2 seconds away. What's your plan? I still haven't decided. I'm either going to full port a sell position, market execution, like 10 seconds before the release, or I'm going to place buy stops and sell stops. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I'm scared. I will make a decision very shortly. The bell for full margin call. Yeah, legit. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the NFP stream. About to blow all my accounts for your entertainment. Yeah, drop a thumb. Drop a thumb for the chat, for the channel. Hey Dan, look, regarding setting trades both directions. Wait. Oh my god, it's so much brighter with that now. I'm stepping back to my other ones. I'm gonna alternate. These sunnies are weird because I can see my eyes. They reflect my. Inside of the sunnies, I'm literally looking at myself right now. What the fuck? I'm looking into my own eyes. It's tripped out. Can you gamble NFP? No. No, this is professional stuff. Not full margin, bro. Just put a buy in one account with SL. You can do it, bro, but it doesn't work how you probably think it would. I know it sounds like it works on paper, but the market very rarely just goes in one direction, right? Sometimes it does. Sometimes it does. Yeah, I'm here on Top Step. I got fucking 5 funders. I've only activated one. I'm gonna see if I can. What's gonna happen if I request a payout and see if they give it to me. So as you can see, I went pretty aggressive on the first day. Got a buffer and now just get a couple of $150. Yeah, I'll see if they pay me. We'll see what happens. How do you trade NFP? I'll show you as we get closer. It's, I mean, I didn't want to put it on the internet. It is a secret strategy, but I'll show you as we get a bit closer. Hi, Mentor. What up, what up? Dan, do you think can gold go until just clean liquidity and make strong? Bro, honestly, anything can happen at this point. It's so anything can happen. It's not even funny. That's why I don't treat it seriously. Like, I'll load up a few accounts and some of my guys will load up a few accounts just for a bit of fun. Like, don't take NFP serious. Don't try and predict and, oh, the fucking bang might go all here. No, just have a bit of fun with it. Let's go. Carl in the chat. Yeah, if you don't know about NFP, Sonnies, you're just kind of sleeping on the strat. Yeah, you're kind of sleeping on the strat. If I drop a course content about NFP, a big part of it is the glasses that you wear. You wouldn't think it, but it actually dictates a lot. Yeah. 35 minutes. Any giveaways today? Yeah, I'm going to give away a punch to you. Is that all right? I'm going to punch you straight in the schlong. So, I'm glad you showed up. Yeah, the glasses help you see the liquidity on NFP. These kind of give me a seizure. Bro, are you cold? Yes. Go your lucky robot, let's go. Yeah, that's why I've got my spacesuit on, because... Oh, here we go. Violent or criminal behavior. TikTok, don't you understand what a joke means? You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name of the YouTube. I'm live there right now. I'm going to close down TikTok. Come over to the YouTube live stream, because TikTok's cooking me here. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name. See you there. Bye. Because I told that kid I'll punch him in the dong, and now I'm getting restricted. Whatever. Just missing the green screen? Yeah, the Brizzy Bridge. And I looked at some old videos, I was like, fuck, the bridge was actually a dope background. What's your name? Jeff. Tell me your inspiration. Tell your inspiration story to get in Dubai. Yeah, just sold everything and moved. Yeah, that's all I did. All I did was quit my job, sold all my furniture, car, took a one-way ticket and 2 suitcases. That's all I did. Super chill. All right, price is still moving up here. What? This is just crazy. So much moving up. So much moving up here. Yeah, NFP's approaching here, and if this breaks above, I'm going to take a buy just to get my beak wet with a couple trades here. If this breaks above, I'm going to take a buy just to get my beak wet with a couple trades. Just to get the finger ready, kind of like warmed up. That's all. I just want to get my finger ready. Trigger finger. 1,000% sell. I like where your head's at because I want to sell. All right, I'm here to gamble. Are we buying or selling, Dan? Bro, I honestly haven't made my mind up if I'm going to put buy stops above and sell stops below, or if I'm going to enter a sell before the market, or before the news hits. I actually haven't made my mind up yet, and I'm scared. I'm scared and alone. Yeah, just a little warm-up sesh. Just warming the old trigger fingers. All right, bro. I believe you. 1,000% sell. I believe you. Scared money don't make money. That's the attitude that I like. Thank you. We didn't come here to take part. We come here to take over or whatever. We came here to take over. I'll release my secret NFP strat as we approach here, as we're getting closer. I've got two 50k Lucid accounts that are about to get funded in approximately 29 minutes. The market is expecting bad NFP, maybe overbought. Yeah, who knows? I don't believe any of that shit. The best thing you can do to dictate what's going to happen on NFP is just flip a coin. Like, from my 6 years of experience trading NFP, the strategy that I've found that works the best is the coin flip. Yeah. It's got about a 30% win rate. Yes, Allison, exactly. Yes. Yes. Rich. Yeah, my community knows what's up. A part of the secret NFP strat is sunnies, unfortunately. It's a particular set of sunnies that you can find, you know, at a secret store. What's... Yeah, okay, NQ. I'm not going to partake in NQ. I'm going to only trade gold for this news. Oh. All right, we just crossed the 30-minute mark. Shit's getting real now. This is a part where it starts to creep up, and before you know it, it's about to hit and you have to make a crucial decision. Shit. Popcorn in hand. I hope there's popcorn in hand and full margin in the other, as the old saying goes. Have you had any health issues, steroids in the past years? Sort of, not really. Like, not really. I got to be honest, I was lucky in the early days. I just had a really good metabolism, but I could tell if I ran it now, it would not be good. The health issues I had was when I came off, because I did it for so many years non-stop. When I came off, my body just said, oh, okay, I see what's going on here, and just shit the bed for about a year. About a year, I was like sluggish, had no motivation, mentally chopped. Nothing physical, but more mental. Oh yeah, physical was the low energy. Low energy and just, yeah. It took about a year to feel normal again, genuinely. But that was after 7 years of like serious abuse. Like I was running crazy cycles. All right, man, price is still moving up here. I might have to take a buy just to warm up the trigger fingers. If this can retrace here and re-break its own high, I just want to see I want to make sure this account works. I just want to make sure this account works. I hope that you can find a good entry because I learned from your technique. Yeah, we're going to have some A+ entries coming in here. The one thing I can guarantee is we're going to get an entry.
Stop filled.
Oh, wait, stop filled. Doesn't that usually what it says when it's not good? Oh, this is not good. Shit, why did I enter this? Okay, I'm going to close this if it flips red. Come on, gold. I just wanted to get my trigger finger ready. I want to know your strategy in one sentence. Flip a coin. Coin flip. One sentence is literally coin flip. If I had to choose a sentence. 6 evals ready to blow. Let's go. If I blow this before NFP, I'm going to have to buy more. You know, like people at the casino, when they lose their money, they go straight back to the ATM to get more. That's what I'm going to have to do. Yeah, unfortunately. All right, so this works.
Order filled.
This works. This account works. I can confirm that. So that's the first good sign. This account works. You think NFP is going to be positive for gold? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's what I mean. Like, again, anybody that's not used to NFP, there's 3 things that can happen. Price can aggressively move up, and you ride that. It can aggressively move down, you ride that. Or it can just go both directions and just cook everyone. Statistically, you've got like a 33% chance of of winning if you put a buy stop or a sell stop or enter before the trade, before the market. Bro, you say that one more time, you're getting blocked. It's super annoying when you just spam the same shit. Oh. How did you maintain a lot size to grow a small account? What does that mean? What do you mean? You just trade. Like, I want to help you, but like, what do you mean? Just trade. What's your 50 Lucid called on the website? How much is it? I think it's $100. So I've got 2 linked here. I can't, does anyone know what the Lucid one's called where you can pass in one day? That's the one that I have. It's my first day. I have a line on sell. Bro, this is your first day of trading? This is not a good day to trade for your first session. Bro, I think that happened to me back in the day when I first started trading. One of my first days was like a CPI day. I didn't realize. And I was in a trade and then just, I was like, what the fuck? Didn't know about like high impact news events and stuff. Do you live in Dubai? Yes. If so, can we meet? I'm going to invite you for dinner. Look, bro, honestly, unless you're a really hot chick, it's going to be tough. Let's have a look. Are you a hot chick? Oh, you're a dude. Yeah, it's going to be tough. We'll figure something out. I think, man, what's your risk size on growing a small account? Yeah, I don't have any advice on that. It's just to trade mainly. Yeah, I don't have any advice on that. I'm not the best person to ask for that kind of stuff because I don't really overthink that too much. Yeah, we were just talking about it before, the Brizzy Bridge spot. I'm trading the money I was meant to buy the formula for my baby. Let's get it. Priorities. Priorities. Don't let a baby hold you back is what I've always said. That's one of the things I've always said. Yeah. So we've got 23 minutes here and shit's getting real. All we need is something to happen here and then we can look at making a lot of money. Last time I did this, everyone left rich. And statistically, I don't think that's going to happen again, but we're going to give it a red hot crack. All right. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. I'm about to blow all of my accounts for entertainment. Make sure you drop a thumbs up for the stream. What will happen if I place 2 buy and 2 sell limit right before news? One of them's going to get tagged. But then what might happen is you have a sell limit sitting here and a buy limit sitting here. Your sell gets tagged and you go, great, I'm in. And then whoosh, comes up, stops out your sell, and then tags in your buy. Now you're in a buy and you're like, oh, lucky, I'm in a buy now. And then whoosh, stops your buyout as well. Actually, it wouldn't. Once one's tagged in, I think the other one cancels. No, actually, yeah. So it can just whipsaw around and cook everyone. Or it can do that, tag you in, hit your TP, and it's happy days. Or That's about it. So we're going to see. Or you could do what I did last time, which is before news happened, I market executed a sell and won that way. So I'm thinking I might market execute 10 seconds before the news release. I still haven't made my mind up. Am I going to do buy stops and sell stops, or if I'm going to market execute? I still haven't made my mind up on that yet. That's the issue. Would you recommend wait for the wick and open trade in the other direction? Who said it's going to be a wick though? What if it's not a wick? Then you're just going to be waiting until like next NFP in a month's time. I'm 3 out of 4 wins on NFP. Shit, okay. Okay, harmless. Oh yes, look at everyone. Let's freaking go. Look at this, it's the mentorship cats. They know the strat, the sunny strat. This is so fucking funny. I gotta film this quickly. This is the best shit ever. So here on live, this is the NFP stream. Look at this. This is the cats in the mentorship community. They know what's up. The secret NFP sunny strat, we call it. We don't reveal it to nobody. Oh, look at this guy. Triple H thinks he's different. Come on, bro. Triple H is like trying to aura farm. So here on live, this is the NFP stream. Triple H is trying to aura farm. Leave some aura for us, G. Okay, price is moving down here. Textbook type 2 sell here. We've got 20 minutes left on the clock. And it's getting dangerous. Say buy or sell again, and I'm literally going to call the police on you, bro. Please stop saying that. Please, I beg you. I'll literally do anything. I got my money back when it reached the line I placed 3 hours ago. What happens after NFP? Bro, if I knew what's going to happen after NFP, I would literally be a quadrillionaire. I wouldn't be live. I would literally be in probably that island. You know, that island? I'd probably be there on a yacht, just hanging out with billionaires. But unfortunately, I don't know what's going to happen. All right, you're going into detention. You had a warning. Time this bastard out for 5 minutes. Think about your actions and we can talk after that. Epstein Island? Sounds familiar. NFP, NQ. All right, man, we're getting closer, you guys. Here you go. You can see non-farm payroll. If you go to forexfactory.com, you can see this precise time that news is we're going to get a countdown. Shit gets real when the countdown starts on Forex Factory. So you can see this is a change of number of employed people during the previous month, excluding farming industries. So once those numbers get released, sheesh, it's the biggest, highest impact news event in the market. So we're going to try and take advantage of that and completely gamble our accounts like true professional traders. Let me see if I can fire up this. You getting certain cocktails by Diddy? No. No Diddy's around here. All right, man. Lock in, chat. Shit's starting to get more serious now. I didn't want to take it there, but it is. Shit's getting way more serious. I tested out my fingers before, so I know my accounts work. I'm up 140. I've got 2 Lucid 50K accounts here, linked together. And I'm either going to pass them both with the click of a button at NFP, or I'm going to blow them. Statistically, my win rate on NFP, it's actually about 50-50, to be honest, after 6 years. But for you, it's probably going to be like 30%. And I only say that because I've got 6 years of data. So that's why I call it the secret coin flip strat. At least you find out quick. Here's the thing here's the good news about NFP. You're gonna find out quick if you're a degenerate loser or a hero. All right? We're gonna find that out very quick. 50% of the time I'm a degenerate, another 50% I'm a hero. So we're gonna have to see. I'd prefer to be a hero. And you can see the timer here. You can see the timer here. The market is already selling beef because... Yeah, exactly. I'm risking 3... I think I'm going to risk 3 contracts. What's the range? I'll measure the range and decide from there. Oh, the ranges are big. They're bigger than I expected. Maybe I'll do 2 contracts. We'll see. We'll see. I'll make a decision as I get a bit closer here. Yo, Shibzilla, what up, brother? You know it. I'm scared, brother. I'm scared too. The closer it gets, I get scared. I'm a scaredy cat. Oh, Wayond, we wake surfing tomorrow. Let me check the chat after this, just to double check. I'm ready for a loss? Yes, sir. I took an A+ buy here before. And we're going to see what happens here. All or nothing, exactly. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. I'm losing... I basically have the house on this trade playing out. So if you guys give me thumbs up, it helps me pay back the house. Hey coach, what up? What's going on, brother? I've got a couple of accounts loaded up here and I'm risking it for the biscuit. My hand's literally shaking. Lot size 1, risk no Rari. Exactly. No risk, no Rari. Everyone's firing on all cylinders here in the community. And that's what's up. Wow, price rejecting here quite nicely. I bet it shoots up here. What's your next presentation? I'm not sure, but hey, you guys, actually, let me pull something up here. If you aren't gay, this is probably the best video on YouTube that I've ever made. Right here. Now, it's not fancy and it's not flashy, but it's a real trader making real trading decisions in real time. So what I did is I loaded up the simulator. I picked a random date on the random date calendar, loaded up the simulator, and put 6% on an account over a few trading days, just to show you how I would do that if I'm trading a prop firm, personal, whatever else it is. It goes for 30 minutes, and it's probably the most informative video on YouTube in the trading industry if you're a price action trader. So I highly suggest you jump into my latest video. I'll post a link here and peep that one. Peep it. Oh, you can't post on there? All right. All right, man, we're getting closer, you guys. Oh, you watched it this morning? Nice. Just watched that twice? Yeah, awesome. Honestly, man, I'm not saying that to like pump myself up. I'm saying it because, you know, when I was coming up and trading, that's where the value is. Like, that's the shit. You get to see someone do it in real time and see their thought process. Other than I could make a video and be like, what's up, you guys? The number one reason why you're not making it as a trader is because your psychology. Let's talk about psychology. And just fucking yap a bunch of ChatGPT nonsense. No. Let's actually trade. So I'm wearing my spacesuit. This can deflect negative energy that could make the trade go against me. That's why I'm wearing a spacesuit and NFP glasses to hide the tears of joy. So we're going to see what's up. Wait, what else? Barley on a day? Oh man, we're getting close to 12 minutes. Why using GC Z6? Hey bro, great question. Because I was using V, but it's like the worst. Use Z. Use Z, it's way cleaner. When I was using V6, it was really like gappy and shit. Hey Nero, can you look at the trade like on the 30-minute? You don't want to take any serious trades right now, bro. NFP, the market's gonna be very unpredictable right here. I would highly suggest you don't try to get a trade here. All right, jungle beats are upon us as well. Oh, really, Allison? Wow, that's funny. Yeah, lock in. Jungle beats are on. This means we're getting closer, you guys. I want to play this sound after. I really want to play this sound. Right? So, let's hope the strat pays off. Alright, man. Again, anybody here? I've got two 50k Lucid accounts fired up. Once a month, NFP comes around. And once a month, we strap up, put a few accounts in the line, and it's either you win or you lose. Most of the time, you lose. So that's what I'm doing today. And, you know, because really, there's only three things that can happen. Price can either shoot up aggressively, shoot down aggressively. If you've got a sell stop, that gets tagged in and you push with it. If you've got a buy stop, it gets tagged in, you push with it. Or it goes like that, whipsaws, it comes down and stops you out. Or you could enter 10 seconds before. I could click buy 10 seconds before news and hope that it does one or the other. There's multiple ways to go about it. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to figure it out in a couple minutes. I'm just 15 years old. I'm just a 15-year-old boy. I don't like how you said that, but all good. I think we are all going to sell and intuition going to, yeah, I don't, institution, I don't know, bro. We'll see. Yeah, I feel you there. No, harmless. Nervous shit creeping in. Yeah. Yep. Nervous little deucey deuce. NFP down or up, Guy? Guy. Bro called me Guy. What's your strategy? Coin flip. Yep. Just coin flip. That's all. CF for short. CF for short. 9 minutes. No! Has the timer started here? The timer should start here at... Wait, let me refresh. Oh, it hasn't started yet. When the timer starts in Forex Factory, that's when nervous shit start kicking in. What do you think about after news? You can. Here's the thing: 30 to 45 minutes after NFP, you can get some nice setups. Legit. Last NFP, I got like a fucking ripper sell position. I've actually got a photo of it here. I'll show you something real quick. Yeah, you can get some actual good setups after NFP. I'm not gonna lie. I won't lie. Maybe I deleted it. Yeah, I might have deleted it. No, I didn't. Check this out, you guys. Last NFP, this is what happened last NFP. I'll make it a bit sore so TikTok can see. So last NFP, what happened was this. Price hit, NFP hit here, moved down. This is like 400, 500 ticks. Created support here. The next candle came and broke below. And then I was like, great, this is a great sign. Move with momentum. The 30 looked really nice as well. And then if we skip, look what ended up happening. Got that retest. SL went up here. Entry was here. And TP was like, man, that bitch just kept dropping. It was like a super duper clean, just breakout momentum play. So you can get nice trades with NFP. After NFP, I mean. Yeah, 100%. Because there's volume in the market. We love, as us, price action traders. Anybody that watched my latest YouTube video, you'll see that like, I require volume. Oh, I require volume. Can you look at the trade? All right, fuck, we're getting close. We're actually getting close. Ah! Wait, timer has started? Let's see. No, the timer has started. Let me just refresh this. Yep, the timer has started. So let me actually just change my timer slightly. Shit, yeah, the timer has started. You can see here the timer has started, so 6.5 minutes, you guys. The timer has started for 6.5 minutes. Oh shit. I've got 2 Lucid accounts. I still haven't made my mind up if I'm gonna buy or sell or buy stop or sell stop. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm about to figure it out very soon. Ooh. I'm gonna figure it out, man. I'm gonna do it. 5.5 minutes. All right, what do we do? What do we do? Do I do buy stops and sell stops, or I feel like we're going to get a bit of a wiki bastard here. I think I'm going to do buy stop and sell stop 10 seconds before news hits. I think I'm going to do buy stop or sell stop. My crazily good NFP intuition is telling me to do buy stops and sell stops this time. I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. It's very rare that I have 1,240 people on one of my live streams, but when I'm gambling, you know half the world is on there. Lock in. What do you guys reckon? Last time I clicked sell 10 seconds before news hits, and I just showed you what happened there. It melted, and I passed the account, and everyone walked away rich. But like I always say, you've got there's like a 30% chance that this is gonna play out in your favor. All right. We've got nearly 500 here on YouTube, on TikTok. We've got 1,300 on YouTube. And I've got a poo that's about to come out because I'm nervous. So you can see here, we're about 4 minutes away. The timer has started, you guys. Place your order, place your bets. Brother, probability of NQ. Brother, no, there's no probabilities right now. It's simply a coin flip. You can't have probabilities with NFP. We don't know what's going to happen. Don't take it serious. People that try to be serious about determining what's going to happen on NFP literally need to be punched in the schlong. Like there's no predicting. It's just a coin flip, G. So that's why every now and then you can see my community. We all strap up with sunnies. We all strap up with sunnies because we know what's up, bro. Right? We know what's up. We've done this before. Any advice for my first NFP? Expect to lose everything. Right? That's all. Expect to lose everything. That's all. That's all you need to expect, and then you'll be good to go. Like if I show you, I don't know. All right, man. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Mom, I'm sorry. I put the house on this. Coin flip. shit, man. What time is news? You can see the countdown on my screen, or you can go to forexfactory.com, and it's precisely in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So, all right, you guys are distracting me, even though no one's doing anything. I have to think about this. So I'm going to quickly place a sell stop here, and then I'm going to come down about 100 pips and place a buy stop. So if it hits that, no. Because spread will get me. Spread will get me. I'm going to have to close manually. I'm going to place a sell stop here and a buy stop here and then close manually. That's the only way I can do it, because if I place a buy stop here, a sell stop here, and then a buy stop here, as in like that's a stop loss, what actually happens is the spread will push your buy limit down like 100 pips. So it won't make sense. I'll have to close manually. Yep, so I'm going to place buy stops and sell stops around 80 to 100 pips away from where the market is. And then I'm gonna have to quickly close manually if one of them get tagged. Yeah, this is fucked. Every time, why am I doing this? Shit, we got a minute and a half. We got a minute and 45 seconds. Mom, if you never see me again, I love you. Yeah, I'm gonna place buy stops and sell stops. I got two 50K Lucid accounts. I got two 50K Lucid accounts tied up here in case you lose another account. Yes, Dono. Thank you. I need to pull this away. I need to, a minute and 11 seconds. Why can't I see the fucking timer on Tradeovate? Someone showed me once, there is a countdown thing. Oh yeah, here it is up here. All right. All right, we've got officially exactly 1 minute. Bro, you're a retard. I'm gonna block this kid. No, don't pin him, block him. Shit. All right, we've got 45 seconds. We've got 45 seconds. We have 45 seconds. I'm going to wait until there's about 15 seconds left, then I'm going to place my order. Orders. I'm placing buy stops and sell stops. I'm placing buy stops and sell stops. This is very dangerous. Bad thing to do right now, but I'm going to do it. And then I have to close manually. We've got 20 seconds. Give me a bit more time. I'm going to give it a bit more time. Why are you moving? This is why I give it time. All right, sell limit, buy limit.
Stop filled.
Push. Yes! Let's fucking go! I'm rich, Mum! I did it! Let's fucking go! 2 funded accounts! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Let's fucking go! 2 funded accounts! Yes! Let's fucking go! Doubt me now, Mum! They said we'd never do it, you guys. They said we'd never fucking make it. They said we're gamblers. They said we're just fucking gamblers. Are we, or am I a fucking top G? Who won there? Post in the Discord if you just won. I'll post a link to my free Discord community. Post in the free Discord community if you won. And throw some dubs in the chat so I can flex on socials. Let's fucking go. Look at this. 2 Lucid accounts funded on a very serious trading stream. Very serious strategy just got me funded with 2 accounts. Let's fucking go, dude. I've got 4,700 on this Lucid account. Does anyone know, do I have to get that down to precisely 3,000 or whatever? Throw some shit in the chat here if you like what actually you won there. I'd actually be curious to see what some of you guys got just then. Did anyone else pass some accounts? Did you get funded? What did you get then, Ty? 1,500? Oh, Lucid's fine. You don't have to get it down to that specific number. W up 100 on the live account. Let's go. Still holding. Past half an account. Same Lucid passed. Let's go. Bro, I was up 1.5, but I got out of the position at 5. Let's get it. 900 on the funded. Shit. Oh. Bro, share some profits with us. How about you suck? Wow. Bro just took 14k on live. Wow. 980. 2k over 4 fundeds. Yes. They said we'd never do it. They said we were just gamblers. Nah, we're not. We're big time serious big dogs. We are big time serious big dogs up in here. Well, there you go, folks. I appreciate you guys jumping on. Love you guys. Thank you for joining the stream. Hopefully you walked away on top. Another successful NFP stream. Bro, our NFP stream run is going pretty good right now. I'm not going to lie. We are kind of goated on the NFP stream. So, yeah, again, appreciate you guys. Thank you for jumping on. I'll be live again on Monday for normal trading, and I'll see you then. Alhamdulillah. Have a great weekend. Yeah, have a great weekend. I'll catch up with you guys. And you mentorship cats, I'll see you in a minute.